Hi guys, Miss Dwyer here. How are you? I'm going to show you this video that you're going to do for science today. This is the website that I put on your Canvas called Flocabulary. And this is a cool website that I found that has a lot of cool different little things that we can do with vocabulary, because science is a lot of vocabulary, but this kind of makes it fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this website that I put on your Canvas, and then you're going to come here. The very first thing we're going to talk about this week is what is science. So over here, first you're going to do is click the video, and this will show you a little introduction about what science is. If you click the vocabulary cards right here, these are your vocabulary cards for the week. We have conclusion, data, experiment, hypothesis, measure, method, observation, science, scientist, and test. So you need to click on each vocabulary card, and it's going to tell you the definition, and it's going to have a little task that you do. This says write the word, or you can draw something that has to do with the word. So you need to go through all your vocabulary cards and do that little task. And then here on vocabulary game, you're going to answer the questions about each word. Then here is read and respond, so you can answer a question about each vocabulary word. And then here is a little quiz. This one, like, what is an experiment? So you're going to pick the answer that goes with the question. And then the last little tab is Lyric Lab. And this will give you a little task to do with each word. Think of a fact or detail about science. Write a short line with the fact or detail. So you're just going to tell me, you're just going to type a fact about about science, and here are your vocabulary words. Okay, so I hope you have fun doing Flocabulary, and that is it. If you have any questions, you know how to message me. Bye.